Good morning, everyone. In the previous presentation, carbon and its compound chapter, we discussed about an interesting chapter, that is ethyl alcohol. What are the properties of ethyl alcohol? Physical properties, chemical properties. What are the uses of alcohol, and what are the harmful effects of the ethyl alcohol? And in this class, we are going to discuss about another organic compound, that is ethanoic acid. In this class, what are the physical properties of ethanoic acid, what are the chemical properties, and what are the uses of ethanoic acid. The first one is ethanoic acid. And the common name of the ethanoic acid is acetic acid. Acetic acid with the chemical formula CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid, it ends with COOH, so their name ends with oic acid, a chemical formula. And when this acetic acid is diluted with water, excess water, and it is called as vinegar. And this vinegar is used as a preservative. And this vinegar consists 5 to 8% of ethanoic acid. The percentage of ethanoic acid present in the vinegar is just 5 to 8%. The remaining consists of water. This is the general, this common name, chemical formula, and what we call of the vinegar, and what is the percentage of the ethanoic acid present in the vinegar. And the next one is the physical properties. What are the physical properties? In that, the first one is this acetic acid is colorless in nature, is a colorless liquid. It occurs in liquid state, and it is sour in taste. We are familiar with the acids. All the acids are sour in taste. So this ethanoic acid sour in taste, and then the boiling point. The boiling point of ethanoic acid or acetic acid is 180 degrees Celsius. This is the boiling point. And then when it undergoes freezing, when the ethanoic acid undergoes freezing, it is converted into a solid structure, solid ice-like structure, and it is called glacial acetic acid. Glacial acetic acid. It is solid in nature. And another property, the physical property of ethanoic acid is it mixes with water easily. Mixes with water in all the proportions. It is miscible with water. And these are the physical properties. First one is it is colorless, occurs in liquid state, sour in taste. The boiling point is 180 degrees Celsius. When it undergoes freezing, it is converted into a solid ice-like structure, and that is called glacial acetic acid. And it is easily mixed with the water. It is miscible with water in all the proportions. These are the physical properties of ethanoic acid. And the next concept is the chemical properties of ethanoic acid. The next concept is what are the chemical properties of the ethanoic acid. In the chemical properties, the first one is reactions with. The next one is reactions with the base. What happens when ethanoic acid reacts with the base? We already know that ethanoic acid, it is an acid. When it reacts with base, and the products are salt and water. It's the product. Here acid is ethanoic acid, formula CH3 COOH. The base here we use sodium hydroxide NaOH. NaOH. And the salt is formed here. Just replace hydrogen with sodium. It becomes CH3COONa, and remaining one product is H2O. Here the name of the compound is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate and water. Okay, here is an acid, base, salt and water. Okay. When ethanoic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium acetate and water. The next reaction in chemical properties is esterification reaction, and it is important. Esterification reaction means formation of esters. Formation of esters. Then what are esters? How they form? Okay, here esterification reaction. The first reactant is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. When ethanoic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol, it gives an ester, and water is formed. And this reaction takes place in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated H2SO4. And here the formula is CH3COOH, and ethyl alcohol C2H5OH takes place in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. And here just remove water, one hydrogen, and here OH group. It becomes H2O, and remaining things, it is CH3COO C2H5. CH3COO C2H5, and remaining H2O. And name of this product is, here ethyl group is present, ethyl acetate. Here it is an ester. Then what are the uses of these esters? These esters are sweet in smell. They are pleasant in smell, so that they are used in the preparation of perfumes. And in addition to this, they are also used as flavors. To add the flavor to the food materials like ice creams, cold drinks, etc. These are the uses of esters. And then, what are the uses of ethanoic acid? The next concept is, what are the uses of ethanoic acid? The uses of ethanoic acid. Here is ethanoic acid used as preservative. That is, vinegar used as a preservative to increase the shelf life of the food. And next one is, it is used in the preparation of artificial fibers. And next, it is used in the preparation of plastics and dyes. And in pharmaceuticals also, this ethanoic acid is used. And next, it is also used in the preparation of perfumes. Also as flavor oils. To impart the flavors to the food materials, flavor oils is used. Perfumes, in the preparation of perfumes, ethanoic acid is used. In the preparation of plastics, dyes, the pharmaceuticals also, ethanoic acid is used. And next, in the preparation of artificial fibers, and as a preservative. The pickles and sauces. the preservation of pickles and sauces, ethanoic acid is used. And this is regarding the ethanoic acid. What are the physical properties, chemical properties, and what are the uses of ethanoic acid. In the next class, we are going to discuss about an interesting concept. It is soaps and detergents. Preparation of soaps and detergents and the differences between the soaps and detergents. Okay, go through your textbook. Whatever the doubts you have, try to clarify. Okay, thank you.